Okay, I want to talk about something really interesting I want to say. So, I talked about this before, but I want to mention it again. If knockoff companies, like toy company knockoffs, made complete China fake / knockoff / rip-offs of these are the basic fun mini arcade classics. And this one is actually the numbered version of Miss Pac-Man. There's actually 2 variants of the static screen. This is Miss Pac-Man. And this is Pac-Man. Those are examples of mini arcade classics. If companies make knockoffs of them, they are not allowed to have this sound quality. Yes, let me bring that there. There we go. It's gonna be like that. That's the sound quality they're not allowed to have.
Speech. Stop recording. Take picture. Button.
But the sound quality they should have for the knockoffs is this. This is the Trolls sing-along microphone. Listen to the sound quality. Like, you hear that sound quality? Like that sound quality. See if you can tell. That's the sound quality they should have. They should not have this sound quality. But they should have this sound quality. That sound quality. Now, another sound quality they should have is this. That sound quality. Tell me if you agree on that sound quality. Will they have that sound quality? Or you don't really behave, or you guys don't think they should have it? Another sound quality I wish they should have is, if I could find the wire. This. Like, listen. That's the sound quality they should also have. They should never have this sound quality. They should never have that sound quality. But they should also have this sound. No, they should never also have this sound quality. They should never have that sound quality because that was used on the static screens. But they shouldn't use that sound quality. They shouldn't use either. This is the sound quality they should never use for the knockoffs. But they should use that sound quality they can't use either. They can't even use this, like I said. Like, hear that? That sound quality, they can't use it. They cannot use this sound. Yeah, that sound quality, they cannot use it this either.
To make a recording, press the red button.
Because that's actual sound quality. I'm gonna record something, and I'm gonna show you another sound quality they can't use.
Press this button again. Ready?
This is another sound quality they should use. Like, hear that sound quality sounds weird? Gonna delete that.
Deleting audio in 3, 2, 1. Audio deleted.
Sound quality that they should also use is this.
Want to record something?
Yep, that sound quality you heard on the phone.
On the microphone.
But this sound quality, they cannot use it. They cannot use either. They can't use this sound quality either. Because that's real audio. But they can use this. Yeah, that sound quality, they can use it. Again, they can't use this sound quality. Cause that's real audio. Okay, see, recognize that song? Okay, in the it's not a, okay, that's a weird song to feature on my channel, so I'm gonna turn that off. They should also have, I think they shouldn't use this sound quality either, or they should. Put it in the comments. Should they use this sound quality, or they cannot use it? Yeah, we can get to it. Yeah. This sound quality.
I'm your story pal. Yes, your story pal. Let's read an adventure or a fairy tale.
I think they should use that sound. No, they can't use that. They can use the story pal sound quality, but they can't use this sound quality. Hear that? Hear that compression? That sounds from a robot. But they can use the story pal's sound quality. But they can't use this either. They cannot use that either. Okay then. So yeah, those are a few sound qualities they should use and that they cannot use. So again, these mini arcade classics. I have more mini arcade classics, but these are the only ones I have on my bed. Yep. Yeah. Oh yeah, and before we go, I'm gonna activate them. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Last day. Wrong button to the right.
Oh. Alright. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Wrong one. Okay. Thanks for watching and goodbye.